Good day. I'm 90. This is ZXC. We're going to do another trucking video here. I'm about to be on my way to pick up some trees. We'll get the location and then I'll have a quick lunch and see if we can get some trees onto the back of my Super Bee convertible trailer. Made it to the site here now. I'm going to prepare my trailer, get some lunch because I'm a little early, and do some paperwork here. But yeah, those are the trees there probably. I believe so anyways, because they're the only trees here. Once they're done setting them up, I am going to pull forward and then we'll see if we can get a loading video. Okay, they're gonna tarp up. I'm gonna get some paperwork, but right here is a pretty sweet freaking Peterbilt going on. Oh no, it's a Freightliner. I apologize. Even has airbags. Oh my gosh. I should ask him for it. Okay, we're all loaded up. The issue now is there's stuff in front of me and in the mirror here. Boop, 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 boop. There's stuff directly behind me. So I have to try to snake my way out with a Super Bee. Hey, wake up. What's up? Is it summer yet? Give me 5 more years. Half a year waking, cross half the country. Class of a statue, attitude, cast a flat shadow mask. Quest with mad, I'm a dad, trust tobacco. Mom less likely, or stands up for nothing. Ain't a funny, ain't a honey, adding up. And ain't adding up, standing up, trading, making money for some bad luck. A red in my palm that my trust can fathom. Cause fantastic bump to those who had enough. Relate with a handful, not alone, stand still. Like an anvil left in the cab of an Acme truck. Time capsule fam set up with some hand-me-up. Back when I dressed as a tacky pup, rapping much. Same style but told to switch the verses. Tons of persons began using my method of currency. It's not method mercury, it's just best to invest. Multi magazines when they tend to stretch the wordplay. New take on an old day. Sold my soul for a cute face and a cold drink. Your outfit doesn't coax me. Kept from the final, take more substance in the vinyl break. I've once said we're born uncut, normacy, torn upon the origin of an orphan, common morbid toxic, corner concept or the topic, followed by why we're sure to bleed 9. Orbit profit, pros to profit forfeit, opposite forfeit, sky like I'm Orpheus, top culture drops like horseshit on orchard crops, open cop, torture clothes, the hip hop culture, sick lore. Throwing up at the spit course, indoors akin to sin with the same pros. Pros in the 60 frame store, spoken aim foes. Those acclaim all the name, tame, fame, foe. We ain't clones behind plain clothes, the fray holes. Try to view the brush strokes with the brain exposed. Perspective brain soaks any holes that make cave hole. Panel stain notes as we goes to mangoes. New take on an old day. Sold my soul for a cute face and a cold drink. Your outfit doesn't coax me. Made to our first stop. We're at the Husky and Sicky Moose. I'm just gonna go and check all the straps because with these trees, all you're doing is strapping onto like, what do you call it? You're just strapping on the roots and basically dirt. So after a few kilometers, they just get loose anyway. So I'm gonna put a few clicks on all of them and I'll get back to you. So, we're at the first unload here, as you can see. It's a small construction nursery. Getting the trees taken off. Look at that. But, just out here planting trees. Almost done. Just halfway done. It works better when you have like a 4-man crew, but we're getting it. It's just 3. Oh hi. It's been a few days since I did my tree delivery here. I've kind of been rushing around. I'm in BC again. I'm trying to get back to Alberta before Thursday. It is Wednesday right now. So that's not happening. I mean Friday. I'm supposed to get back before Friday. I have some important business to take hands. But I have some wheat on. I'm delivering wheat tomorrow. As you can see over here though, there's a freaking cornfield. It kind of looks scary, but part of me wants to kind of sneak into it and go for an adventure, but I don't want to get stabbed, so we're going to stay out of it. Another thing, I might show you in the morning if I remember. There's some really old van trailers over there. I went to go look and try to see if I can take them off their hands for them. But I'm told there's actually chemicals that would not smell very nice and not be very good for anything. So I decided not to go further in that. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it. Or if you liked it, I guess I appreciate it. I'm sorry I didn't get too much of the tree unloading, but it gets kind of busy. Like the last vlog I did, I was like sweating trying to get everything ready. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, good night, good morning, whatever, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.